Hi everyone, today we'll be reviewing Philips 3200 LatteGo full automatic coffee maker, and as a long-term user I want to share all the pros and cons with you today. First thing, we will start with the part and cleaning, so modules of the device, how to clean, and we'll go over more later on. So what you do is just pressing this button. So it shows you some warnings. As you see now, it says the water is not available, so you need to just add the water to this. So now it's just loading. As you see, it's done. Normally it's not that fast because I just turned it off. The equipment was still hot. Normally it takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Keep cycling here. That will make you aware that it's heating up and it's ready once it is like this way. Aqua Clean tells us the filter is good. That where you see the blue light here, this is kind of, you can adjust. And here is the part for the milk frothing section. Milk frothing section is very good in terms of cleaning purposes as well, because it's very easy to clean. It's just 2 pieces, so you just need to basically move it out and then clean. That's all. So it's very easy to clean and it's very easy to use as well. It has a just cover here that we need to put. That's all. I will show you in process, but let's see the modules one by one. So this is the milk frothing piece, this is the water piece, and now I will just turn it off. Okay, so normally when you turn off, it will do a quick cleaning on this system. So this is the other piece we need to remove to clean it all the time. As you see, it's almost there. So normally there is a secondary button here. It tells you that you need to clean it. So probably it's just around that timing, but let's show you a little bit here. So this is the compartment you need to clean maybe every day or every 2 days. It really depends how much you use the coffee machine. So here you will see that additional piece, which is like this one, just to show you a bit more here. As you see, this is the actual brewer mechanism of the device. So you just remove it by pushing here and then move this one out. Done. So this is how it is after maybe a month of use, that you need to clean it to have that much more efficient brewing. So this is also another piece you need to clean. As you see, let's see a bit more here. So you need to clean fully in here, and also here is the coffee part that you need to make sure you have the coffee in it. And this part, if you're using it, you may need to clean it with extra stick or something just to make sure it's clean up. Here, just including the coffee beans. Basically, after every freshening, it's better to just also freshen the coffee there. Also, you will notice the knob there for making coffee to more refined or coarser. So it depends on your coffee taste. You can change it. Just remember to go one by one in each increment, especially if you're trying to make it finer. You need to do like one by one with each, so that you are not actually breaking the mechanism there. All right, here let's see quickly how clean it looks after the cleaning. As you can see, after 1 month usage and cleaning, it's just fresh like new. So all we need, just to make sure you clean it at least every month, you should be good. So I've been using this for 3 years. So far, I have no issue at all. Just to make sure that you also follow anything around these areas that you need to oil. I recommend you do it maybe every 2 months or 3 months. I'm going by 3 months mostly. Alright, so let's put it back. How to install piece. It's pretty easy. You just need to bend it a little to the inward, and you just click that side thing, hold it and press it, and then done. You can just check it like this and it's good to go. Now you just put back the water reservoir back in it. Alright, so we are ready to start. So that's it. So this is the startup of this. So basically it just runs the water just quickly to clean up the inside the pipe, and then now it's ready to just make your coffee. So what we can do, let's start with the coffee, just regular coffee that we can choose from here. So either you can go one or two options here. You can have Americano option as well, one or two. So it means that it will just run it twice. So if you want to do 2 cups of coffee, you can just do one and then do the other one as well. So that way you can just have 2 coffee at the same time. Or sometimes I just put it this way, this one and this one together like this, and then choose the 2, and then you can have Americano for 2 glass at the same time. Same for coffee, you can do that way too. But for the cappuccino or latte macchiato, you can't do it that way, so you don't have 2 options. So let's start with latte macchiato, and then we can do regular coffee later on. So here you can choose the coffee strength. So based on this selection, it will just grind more coffee or less coffee. And then here you can choose the level of coffee amount, and then this one is for the milk itself. So how much milk you want to include here. So I choose mostly 1. So let's see how it works with the 1 option I want to use in this. So let's see the level of noise as well. So it will start with grinding the coffee. So this is a mid-frothing sound. You can imagine the noise there, so how you hear me versus with this noise. So as you see, with 1 level it used almost maybe half or a bit less than half or more than half with the 1 level milk in latte macchiato. So this is a good example. If you use 1 level, this is the amount it would put as milk. You have an option to make these adjustments, so you can change the amount of coffee or latte or everything there based on how much you want everything. Okay. So now we will try full amount of macchiato this time. So I will just do 3. I will just fill it fully here now, just to show you how much it will change in the Alright, so let's see. As you can see, when we use that 3rd level of that, so now you have the full cup of coffee there with the milk, with the latte macchiato. Enjoy. Alright, so let's see just the hot water piece here. When you press the hot water, you can just choose the amount. So let's go with 1 level to see how much it will put. You can always pause it whenever you just have enough there. In the process, you can just do that right away. So here's how it put it. As you can see, this just water process is very easy and not that much sound. And when I press it, it's done. So this is just the hot water how you can get it. And now let's start the coffee portion. When you press the coffee, again, I'll just go with one option here to just show you. This is my regular routine. Press on it. Alright, so this is done. As you can see, it has a great amount of foam. So I want to show you quickly which coffee beans I'm using for this, because it's very important when it's coming to the choice of that. In terms of being so oily, beans can cause problems in these full automatic machines. So these are the 2 coffee options that I use. Basically, I just mix them and use them together with a mixture rate of 1 to 3. Let's talk about the pros and cons a little bit. So basically, the machine is very sleek, compact. It looks very nice from outside for sure. It's perfect around these pieces. Only problem that I can mention is that the noise of it. So with the grinding and when it's actually pressing the coffee, it makes some extra noises. So it may not be the best in the morning if you have someone in the house and they're sleeping or something. One other thing on this one, there's no milk frothing option. So always milk frothing is coming as part of specific menu item here, like cappuccino or latte macchiato. So you need to just use one of them to have only milk frothing if you need to, but remember that coffee will be grinded as first step. Yeah, so if you even just pass that or skip that coffee process, your coffee already grinded, so basically it goes waste if you just need only milk frothing piece. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, get notifications, and leave a comment if you have any video content ideas or any feedback. Thank you so much. Bye for now.